Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module number MECH underscore P underscore 039 underscore Raymond Survey John Jute. Statement. The consumption of natural gas by a company satisfies the empirical equation V equal to 1.50 T plus 0.00800 T square, where V is the volume of gas in millions of cubic feet and T is the time in months. Express this equation in units of cubic feet and seconds. Assume a month is 30.0 days. Okay. Equation is given in terms of millions of cubic feet, and we have to remove this million and we have to give answer in simply cubic feet. Similarly, time is given in month, and month is not of 31 days, is of 30 days. Okay, but we have to convert it in seconds instead of month. Okay, now we move on to its solution. We know that 1 month is equal to 30 days, which alternatively becomes equal to 30 into 24 hours, which alternatively becomes equal to 30 into 24 into 60 minutes, which alternatively becomes equal to 30 into 24 into 60 seconds, which alternatively becomes equal to 259,200 seconds, which alternatively becomes equal to 2.592 into 10 raised to the power 6 seconds, and 1 million cubic feet is equal to 10 raised to the power 6 cubic feet cube. Okay, we have previously mentioned many times that million is reciprocal of micro. Micro is 10 raised to the power minus 6, while million is 10 raised to the power plus 6. Now, volume V is equal to 1.50 into 10 raised to the power 6 cubic feet over month into T plus 0.00800 into 10 raised to the power 6 feet cube divided by month square into T square. Okay, because dear students, in the first part of this equation, T is single in first form, so month is also in first power, while in second part of the equation time T is in square, so accordingly month will also be in square. Okay, now volume becomes equal to 1.50 into 10 raised to the power 6 cubic feet divided by 2.592 into 10 raised to the power 6 second into T plus 0.00800 into 10 raised to the power 6 foot cube divided by 2.592 into 10 raised to the power 6 second whole square into t square. Now volume alternatively becomes equal to 0.5787 cubic feet over second into T plus 1.1907 into 10 raised to the power minus 9 feet cube divided by second square s square into t square. Okay, hence the required equation becomes as under. Now dear students, in our required equation, cubic feet over second will not be mentioned because we have to follow the given equation. Okay, hence the required equation becomes as under. Volume is equal to 0.5787 T plus 1.1907 into 10 raised to the power minus 9 T square. What we have done? We have just eliminated cubic feet over second because in the given equation such thing is not available. Okay, hence this is the solution of our problem and this is the end of our module. Okay.